Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with Ironclad Signature. I work in legal ops for Petrullo Labs and have been tasked with setting up eSignature for our org. There are two ways I can set this up. The first is straight to sign, where I can effortlessly upload, tag, and dispatch documents for eSignature with a single click. No workflow needed. The second is adding Ironclad Signature to any one of my workflows. Let's begin with the straightforward approach, straight to sign. This feature enables you to upload documents, like this letter of intent, and input counterparty information for easy searchability in the repository. You can designate internal and external signers, apply tags, and send documents for signature, all with just a few clicks. No workflow needed. Now let's delve into the second approach, integrating Ironclad Signature into a workflow. In my workflow designer, we're updating our MNDA configuration to include eSignature based on evolving business needs. This creates dynamic signature packets tailored to our requirements and providing self-service capabilities to end users. For Ironclad, implementing guardrails to monitor and control document approvals is effortless. I can add approvers and configure advanced conditions while maintaining complete control over the signing process. I have the flexibility to utilize dual signature providers in addition to Ironclad Signature. eSignature services can only be configured at workflow level and not at the individual document level. Customizing this experience further, Ironclad has all the features I would expect in an eSignature platform. Configurable automated reminders, requiring verification for all signers, allowing reassignment, and capturing post-signature terms. The biggest difference with Ironclad Signature is giving internal signers context before they sign. I have the ability to show internal signers key terms such as counterparty name, address, governing law, and term length. With executives always on the move, they can have quick access to crucial agreement details, ensuring confidence in what they are signing. Depending on our company's preferences, we can choose between Ironclad Signature or Click to Accept using Ironclad's conditional logic. Click to Accept simplifies the signature process and is suitable for high-volume, low-negotiated contracts such as employee handbook acknowledgement, annual company policy updates, offer letters, and unilateral NDAs. Now our configuration is ready for publication. Ironclad Signature offers a seamlessly integrated solution for existing workflows, empowering you to take control of your signature process like never before, with built-in conditionality, customizable options, and multiple acceptance methods.